Ngasema pesa labda ino bela linagenda.
Yes, greetings to the nation and all students fraternities all over Uganda. My name is Tundulu Jonathan, the People Power Coordinator on under institutions and also the Guild President of Kyambogo University. We are here in Kyambogo University for a press release for the ongoing challenges, as we are also going to give our way forwards, as we shall also have to propose to those Ugandans, especially those who are silent about the ongoing challenges. I will begin with allowing my fellow members to introduce themselves as we shall continue.
I am called Kionga Peter. I'm a student at Makerere University. I lead a team of students who are from Karamoja and they are in Makerere University. So I'm from a district which has been very disabled, in that is Abim district in Karamoja region. Thank you.
My name is Nisima Helen, the Vice School President. So generally I deputize for the President, and on behalf of the Students' Power, I'm his Vice President. Thank you.
My name is Ayen Ernest, the President of Kalas Agricultural College and the People Power Coordinator for Karamoja region. Thank you.
My name is Elio Frank, President of Tesla University and People Power Institutional Organization.
My name is Katerega Julius KJ. I'm the Guild President of Makerere University.
Ladies and gentlemen of the fourth state, allow me to introduce first and foremost introduce to you the Students' Power, which is the students' wing of the People Power movement with the objective of encouraging the students of this country to partake in the process of liberating this country. Student Power is an umbrella for all change-learning students in the entire country, and it is spearheaded by the guild leaders of various universities and tertiary institutions. As you may be aware, we have 2 by-elections that are ongoing in the country, in the districts of Hoima and Kabong, where all of the opposition forces have jointly rallied behind our candidates per district. For example, in Hoima, where we have Honorable Nyakato, and in Kabong, where we have Honorable Adiaka Judith. We take this opportunity to call upon all of the people of Kabong and Karamoja to reject the NRM and its 30-year order is the rise which have hampered the development of Karamoja. For all of the 30 years NRM has been in power, it was only in the 10 years ago that NRM thought it important for the Karamoja to take or to start on the basic development necessities like the tarmac roads, the electricity. Even our major towns like Kotido, we have no electricity for these 30 years. The roads are terrible, and despite the fact that we have a major game park like the one in Chidepo, which brings millions a year. In Karamoja, services like health and education are very hard to access among others. We therefore see no reason as to why the same Karamojong should continue supporting a government that has consistently ignored the region for the last 30 years and only remembered it after discovering some minerals they seek to exploit for their own good and satisfaction. We therefore call upon all of the people of Kabong to vote the joint opposition candidates, as we have already read before, Madam Adiaka, and those in Hoima, she's Madam Nyakato. Yes, Madam Nyakato. And go to vote. If we are going to vote, let us vote for these people, and also on the local government positions in the various sub-countries of the Kabong district. As per we, the Student Power, we shall petition all change-seeking forces, inclusive but not limited on the opposition members, to jointly join us in supporting these MOPs to see that we can put them in the positions of change and influence, and we bring about the change we deserve. We shall also camp in Karamoja to make sure we attain the victory of our brothers and sisters, and that means doing all that it is in our means, that it is still in the confines of the Constitution legally. Secondly, we are seeing the ongoing xenophobia attacks, and we, as students, we still recall and read the history of the decolonization of our Africa. The African students, both on our continent, Africa, and in the diaspora, they worked so tirelessly and indeed played a very pivotal role in attaining the independence throughout the continent, not only in South Africa, but also in other African states and countries. Concerning South Africa, the Africa Students Movement was opposed to apartheid and worked tirelessly to see the collapse of the apartheid regime through numerous actions, with some of them even physically taking part. We therefore feel it very important as students to remind the South African people that we were with them as Africa at their hour of need, and so they should not think themselves as non-Africans or super Africans presently. We strongly condemn the killings ongoing in South Africa and call them to cleanse their minds of these un-African, unethical codes of conduct as they are being patterned in South Africa. We consider this biblical Cain-like habits unbefitting of the African people, and we call on the South African government to reign over this insanity, and all African governments to condemn and persuade their South African colleagues to stop these killings. Moving forward, the Student Power shall, in accordance with the Constitution, march to the South African High Commission to deliver the petition. These are expressing our dissatisfaction, the discontent about this situation. Thank you for God and my country. I will therefore have to call my colleague, also a leader in the Students' Power Movement, to say something.
Thank you very much. As I said earlier on, my name is Ian Ernest, Power Coordinator for Karamoja region. We have a direction in my region which has been bleeding for the last around 30 years. So as Karamoja, we have suffered for a very long time now. Remember, from the colonial time up to now, we are still suffering. If we go down into history, Karamoja has suffered for the last 30 years, and formerly Karamoja has been isolated from this part of this country. Remember in the colonial period, Karamoja was used as a ground for deportation of politicians who had crimes with the government. It came to the period of Amin. We faced a lot of suppression and humiliation. And we went into acquiring guns from the abandoned barracks. That is how the Karamoja warriors acquired guns. And the NRM regime, when they came into power, designed a program of disarming the people of Karamoja. And when they disarmed the people of Karamoja, they did not put in place a measure of settling us or giving us something to survive on after we have been disarmed. This has caused NRM to make us very vulnerable as the people of Karamoja, that we cannot survive. They made sure that we could not survive without our guns. So we have been put in place where NRM can subject us to all the conditions that they deserve for us to support them. The people of Karamoja are not willing to support NRM, but they are subjecting us to conditions that have made life practically very impossible for us, that the only thing they can do is to intimidate us into supporting them. Karamoja, even in this worst state of Karamoja, still has some things that are given to the government, but the government doesn't have anything to give back to the people of Karamoja. Karamoja has minerals that are indeed being taken up by people in government themselves. They have acquired large chunks of land which are supposed to belong to the people of Karamoja and benefit them, but they are being acquired by individuals who look forward to enjoy those privileges even now that they are citizens in Karamoja, our place. Karamoja, this very Karamoja that is bleeding, has Kidepo that raises millions, billions of money to the government, but the government does not even give a single penny to the people of Karamoja. It is witnessed and evident in the roads that we have that lead to Kidepo. If the government was minding about its people that live around Kidepo National Park, they would be giving them proper roads because they know that Kidepo generates large chunks of money for the government. Karamoja has land that now is being encroached. Those are the things that the government, even with these worst conditions in Karamoja, still take away from us. So they have subjected us to some worst conditions that in terms of health, not all the districts of Karamoja have hospitals, but these are large districts with very many sub-counties. Therefore, districts like Abim, for example, where I come from, was last month put on newspaper that it doesn't even have medicine in the hospital after 30 years of NRM rule. That is the region that we are talking about, the region which is being deprived of its things and nothing is being given to it. In the angle of education, Karamoja is among the sub-counties, sub-regions, which does not have a single university. And even the universities that they propose to put in Karamoja is a branch of a struggling university, which will not satisfy the need for education in Karamoja. They are actually give us a feel-good factor, not to satisfy the angle of education. In terms of roads, I think in this country, Karamoja registers the worst roads that connect to Karamoja. Even the nearby districts of Karamoja, which have been underworked, at least now have better roads than Karamoja. What is the problem with Karamoja? Yet, we pay this government with a lot of generosity when it comes to elections. They scoop the highest number of votes. But this time we want to tell them that Karamoja has now gone away from the generation that had guns. It is now the generation that has the information and the knowledge. The young people have come up to sensitize its people, knowing that even in these elections, we, the young generation, have come up to tell them that we have moved from guns, we are now in the knowledge. We, the young generation, have risen up to tell them that enough is enough, and we are not going to bow down to intimidations and threats. History has demonstrated that a society where its youth are organized, anything can happen. And this time we are rallying out for change. Even in Kambong, we believe, with our support of the People Power Wing, which is for the students and the youth, something positive is going to happen because we have the information and we have the youth behind us. So my information to my people of Karamoja is that Karamoja is potentially one of the richest regions in minerals. And the only way to attain all this process of getting something from these minerals is for us people of Karamoja to get organized and let know that we are not the less privileged. We are just people who need to get organized, and everything comes to our hands if we now get involved in the process of midwifing this change. We need to get involved. People Power has come with its generation, particularly the young generation, to save us out of this. It is from this platform that we are going to stop all this nonsense of NRM for the last 30 years. We are ready to face NRM even with its intimidations in Karamoja, because we are youth, not only filled with pain for Karamoja, we are also filled with the vigor of making Karamoja transform into a place we want to see. The place we want to see as Karamoja is a place where we sit in the committee of sub-regions. The whole people will be able to say that Karamoja now, this time, we are not waiting for Karamoja, but Karamoja has come to call us to tell us we are now developed. That is the Karamoja that we are looking to see. Thank you very much for listening to me. Let me ask my colleagues to have something to say.
Manyamo ne wasibo.
Move the microphones. Microphone.
Thank you very much. Before he comes into Uganda, we would like to put an emphasis on the xenophobic attacks and anything related to it, the other violences that have come as a spillover of the violence in South Africa. I want to emphasize that on top of these nations helping South Africa, we are students leaders from the major universities, and even those who are not here are indeed with us in spirit. We know for a fact, we have the statistics that South Africa has the highest number of international students, and a big number of them is actually Ugandan, because the University of Pretoria, where this xenophobia has been concocted from, is one of the leading universities that compete with some of the universities in this land. And you realize that South Africa has a big number of international students. Our concern that yes, we strive for everyone out there, but we strive more for the well-being of the students, because we are students leaders. Now we want to make it clear to the people with the power in South Africa, but also in our government, especially because they have reduced us to jokers. You see that leaders elsewhere are boycotting everything, conferences in South Africa, and you see that our leaders, our experienced leaders, are choosing to go and stand in solidarity, showing that they are condoning whatever is taking place in South Africa at this moment. We want to let them know that we are very hurt, we are very disturbed, and we are not going to take in this nonsense. South Africa has the biggest investments in this country than any other African country. That is a fact. When you look at the multinational companies, banks, telecom companies that operate here, if you go back and you do a background check, you realize that they're South African in nature. We do not want to move to sabotage and malice, because they are killing Ugandans in Pretoria, and our dear government does not see this as important, that our people ought to be protected. We know the fact that there are very many farms, there are very many businesses in Uganda that are owned by South Africans. We have South African friends in our country. We ask of the government of Uganda to come out clearly against this xenophobia, the way other governments have taken it on its own. You realize that people, this will only act as an eye-opener. That when you move to the Middle East, it is not that the other Africans are not in the Middle East. They are, and they work there steadily. but it is because their governments aim at protecting their citizens while they are there, that when they attack a Kenyan, either in Kuwait or something, the Kenyan government will come out strongly. And then when they attack Ugandans, our government, because it wants to remain in good books with some of these nations, does not come out to protect its citizens. We as the youth, I do not know if I'm a youth wing, we are in the youth wing of People Power, or we are People Power, because People Power is majorly youth. We know, I am going to speak for the youth, we actually know that this is our generation. 78% of Ugandans are youth, and we know that. And we are the people who lack resources. We are everywhere, including the people who are now being killed, the Ugandans being killed in South Africa. They are youthful because we do not have enough opportunities in our land. It is the same thing happening to the people in the Middle East. It is the same thing happening to the youth going out everywhere. We are calling upon the government of Uganda, as it is finalizing its stay in power, to still embark on two things. One, to make sure that Ugandans are respected wherever they are in the world. The way other African countries are doing that, we believe our country is so rich, is so powerful, and very, very, very much strategic. We demand of the respect of the Ugandans on the global village. We are requesting that as they finalize, they start on this process, because we certainly know that when we come in, we shall strengthen this, that Ugandans will have to get the respect that is accorded to other Africans when they are out of their country. We are condemning the xenophobic attacks. It is the most barbaric thing that can happen in Africa. You see, even in Uganda, we have our differences. Our government has deliberately done divide and rule. That is deliberate. But we do not go for a brother's head. We think that the government of Uganda should come out strongly and call on the government of South Africa, that if they feel that indeed non-South Africans are not welcome, they have the option of deportation. Let them deport whoever they find to be in their countries illegally. We have seen countries in this region do it. We have to remember when Tanzania, a few years back, embarked on deporting people from a certain country in this region some time back, and it worked for them. Yes, we received it without blood, but at least they did kill people. I think this should be the same measure that these governments should come up and encourage the South Africans to do. But we as the youth, especially as university students, we are very disappointed that our government has not done enough to protect Ugandans wherever they are. Thank you very much.
Basebo ne banyabo amuzikirize twala omukisa guno okubanjulira People Power Students Wing oba movement era nga ekulemberwa Good President of People Power mu university ez'enjawulo. Basebo ne banyabo tukimanyi bulungi ffenna ebigenda mu maaso e Karamoja biri by election era nga tugenda okujjuza ebifo mu district ez'enjawulo, mitendera egy'enjawulo naddala Kabong ne Hoima. Kale omukisa guno okusaba abakalamoja mwenna ebitundu ebiriraanyeewo ba MP mwenna gye muli opposition n'abakulembeze mwenna ab'enjawulo okulaba nga tuwagira Honorable Nyakato ne Honorable Adiak okulaba nga People Power opposition tulwalira ebifo. Emyaka mingi, emyaka 3 ebadde mu buyinza, Karamoja badde yasuulibwa mabega. Karamoja erina embuzi bingi, erina minerals nyingi, naye nga teziyamba bantu baayo. kyokulabirako erina kidepo kyabulamuzi kyamaanyi nnyo era nga birimu ku eno mu Uganda ebikuŋŋaanya abalambuzi abangi mu mwaka era nga bivaamu ssente empitirivu nnyo naye kyalinaku nnyo okulaba nga kidepo ssente ezivaayo buli mwaka teziyamba abantu baayo. Kiswaza nnyo okulaba nga gavumenti emaze emyaka 3 mu buyinza nga ekozesa ssente za kidepo ekola ebyayo. Kidepo essaawa eno ne Kalamoja twaliza wamu balina oluguudo lumu lukalokka oluzimba obulungi olugatta Soroti ku Moroto. Kiswaza nnyo okulaba nga kidepo baamu ssente nnyingi nnyo naye nga abantu baayo tebafunamu. Ogenda ku Moroto Mountain wavaayo limestone oyo yakozesebwa okulaba nga bakolamu cement naye cement yenna bamutransportinga n'agenda etololo. So singa bazimbayo ekkolero Moroto sanga abantu badde bawa abantu Bakalamoja emirimu. So essaawa eno bingi bigenda mu maaso. Health obujjanjabi si bulungi Kalamoja mukimanyi bulungi nnyo erina amalwaliro matini nnyo. Kalamoja region era district esituka 9 naye amalwaliro agaliyo agali recognize tegasuka na 5. Bwetunuulira amalwaliro agaliyo waliyo Kabongo hospital naye nga naye eri wala nnyo ng'omuntu atambula kilomita 3 otuuka wali obujjanjabi naye amalwaliro agali essaawa eno gazimbibwa Obote. So gavumenti yo nga yutina kinyamye bantu ba Kalamoja. Omukisa guno okusaba bana Kalamoja mwenna okutegatako tuwagire balina opposition twabe nga tukyusamu mbeera. Otunulye essaawa eno Kalamoja egenda mu maaso kyamukisa mulungi nti twafunako first lady oba mukyala wa president n'abakulembeze Kalamoja okumala ebbanga naye tusala nnyo Kalamoja talina wadde university ericognize esomesa abayizi just balinayo PTC yeriyo mu region enamba mu district ezoero 9 nga minister abaddeyo abadde mukyala wa president ng'akakolagira bulagizi tekikolebwa. Ekiswaza nnyo nti gavumenti Kalamoja gisuuliridde nnyo n'ekirala ekigenda mu maaso mu Kalamoja ettaka lingi libbibwa. So amataka gabbibwa abakulu bennyini mu gavumenti abantu babonaabona Bakalamoja balaba. So tusaba Bakalamoja mwenna tugaane leero tugambe nno tugane ku mbeera eri mu gavumenti essaawa eno tuwakanye obukulembeze obubi oba NRM nga tuwagira abo bannaffe opposition kuba NRM tetuyambe na Kalamoja tetufunyemu wadde essaawa eno minisita aliko owa Kalamoja sina mu Kalamoja kati simanyi lwaki omuntu atali mu Kalamoja ate akiikirira Bakalamoja. So tusaba Bakalamoja mwenna tuli wamu nammwe ng'abakulembeze b'abayizi tugenda beera nammwe mu buli ngeri yonna. Tusaba mwenna mutegatteko tukunga buli MP yonna gy'oli opposition n'aba NRM abakkiriza mu people power tugende tuwagire bannaffe bonna Bakalamoja tulabe nga Kristi tuwakanya n'okukyusa mu mbeera embi eri e Kalamoja. Ngeze ku nsonga ya South Africa tenga abakulembeze b'abayizi aba people power mu university ez'enjawulo tutwala omukisa guno okulabula aba South Africa n'obategeeza nti obuwanguzi bwafuna oba obwetwaze bwe bafuna si baabwe bokka obwetwaze bwe bafuna nga South Africa bannansi bonna aba Africa babulwanirira kyobabirako. President Obote yali omu ku abalwanirira South Africa kuba kufuna obwetwaze bwayo. So South Africa temuli bakabejja. So tusaba embeera egenda mu maaso essaawa eno egomezebwe kubanga South Africa bangi nnyo bali mu Uganda nga tubayisa bulungi ng'abaami nekibakiswaza nnyo okumalamu amaanyi nti tujje wamu ate mutuyisa bubi. Kale omukisa guno saba gavumenti ebeeko kyekola kiba beta nnyo singa omukulu muzeeyi atuukirira muzeeyi munne ne boogerezeganya kulaba ng'embeera eyo erinnyibwa ku nfeete kubanga bannaffe bangi bafa ate nga teri kikolebwa kubayamba. Nga munnange bwe yagambye president nti South Africa abayizi bangi abasomerayo naye nga si bannansi baayo wabula nga bannansi okuva mu Uganda. So tusaba embeera eyo ebenga erinnyibwa ku nfeete era twetegese bulungi nnyo okutwala ekiwandiiko ku embassy South Africa mu Uganda okulaga obutali bumativu bwaffe eri abakulu kulaba ng'embeera eno erinnyibwa ku nfeete. South Africa nsi nnungi era tulina bannansi bangi wano naye tetwagala naffe ate twatuseeko bulabe twatuseeko bannaffe. So tusaba embeera eyo ekomekerezebwe mu bunnambiro era singa embeera eyo gavumenti esika busirisi netabako kyekola nga abayizi ba universities oba nga bakulembeze tugenda kulangirira ekiddako mu nnaku zitali awala nnyo kulaba ffe nga embeera eyo ebigikomya nongera okutegeeza nti tugenda kunga bayizi bannaffe bonna mu university okulaba nga embeera eri South Africa tugikomya mu bunnambiro singa gavumenti esirika netabako kyekola tongera okutegeeza nti era still tuli wiringi nnyo tuli bamalirivu nnyo okulaba nga tukyusa eggwanga lyaffe lino nga tuli wamu ffenna pala omukisa guno okunga abayizi bannaffe omwana gyemuli buli university buli institute secondary schools primary school okuteekatako kubanga nesitako kitulimu essaawa eno si yaffe ffeka kiyakyagulanyi ng'omuntu yange naawe n'oyakuliraanye so essaawa gwe ali eyo ogambe munna akuliraanye naye akagye munna amuliraanye twebereremu ffenna tutuuse eggwanga ku lwa Uganda lwa Katonda n'ensi yange mwebale nnyo balire ddala people power our power send your rank you're the president Mutasanlo University people power our power so
bano basobola okuddamu bayogeramu katono then I will conclude summary.
Amito Pwaji went at Yana Waichani, Anati Kionga, Peter.
Ayagala kwogerako mu lulimi lw'Abakaramoja. Then briefly from the lady, she can also communicate to us. And we shall conclude.
Ana Chudani Kiana Peter, Ayaki Karamoja, Kapitan Kwan Makere. Amito Kobo Gimo in a Joa Manati Karamoja ni. No, Dikoni no one at the election. O Kabong, and your Karamoja is to man Nagayamba Rocket opposition, and to team obedo opportunity. You don't need Karamoja though for the first time, Tiaketo opposition candidate. So, election at each other. Mita children need a timonu change Karamoja. Ekabeti, Kainen more key history. Regions Menatio opposition are the ones who are developing. And Kenya mostly NRM gets support. They are poor, they are very poor. And Kina one million and also no Dikoni, Alegoni opposition Kiduju, Chidunu Kabong, even in Nikandi Chao Kato. So Naluko coin now and no Karamoja. For 30 years, one bedo cameo NRM, we were 90%. And one way to go no Gimoeten, Kaineno or the Atwai-chan, Abim Hospital, TA condition Mona Bear Ramoko. The other time, opposition candidate, that was basically Ochido Olima Bim Hospital, Okomonia Bim Hospital, but don't obey the hospital. Obedo Kaimuna Danochido, Meta Atoa, Mucha. That's Karneko Bugina, a been a painting we are the Atwa yellow, Bangio, finger. So, Ilokom Kwan, Kainan Kwan Chani. Many students from Karamoja cannot even go for scholarship, for this national scholarship. We struggle, a time of yearly no 9 points. By Ramoto to the government thing, by no to district quarter, by Ramoto no money loan scheme. So Kedichani and Warani and Muingo was announcing a list of students who have gone under scholarship, this loan scheme. But not even like maybe 0.0 something percent Karamojans who are in that loan scheme. One pair. So you don't need condition now one year, but don't Ramu Bedia. Ka one Joa etela you don't want to Kennedy. Bako you wagon me year 1 quack Joa ni. Onudo a there of KNRM. Every dog option of Kennedy. Now the opposition Tiabino, people power Tiabino. One tell you no Diconi. Kedebed NRM middle there for wow Guinea. Kedebed they are going to use our RDCs to arrest us, to do what? If they want to torture us, for us 1 year, we shall go, let them kill us. Because for us we want to see tomorrow, the tomorrow that we shall enjoy. but not in this condition. So no can any training. Ilocom kitna wana kuokere. For Jawado to the level of more poverty, because even our leaders who are in parliament cannot demand for what we want, but instead they want to pass under the desk and go and beg, so that they can bring that this is what I've brought for you. But they don't want to demand for something that will be given like roads. They want to go and demand for 2 cups of what? Of kosher. They want to go and beg for 2 cups of beans. And kodigini baramutero wakanyo. So go one natural youth by Yabo one wound men and near la condition na Karamojong still. One baby no even if we got NRM like for more 30 years, we shall not get anything. Actually, work Nina Chano no minister for Karamoja first. That was Janet Museveni. But Otimongo, even we are even more worse than before she became our minister. Warani were minister, Biabagambi, Kichane Keto. The other time they poisoned Karamojong, what have they said? No one mentioned anything. Our leaders were even fired. So that is the thing we want to come up and what? Anyone a thing will look no right because NRM Babera Namito Karamojong Smito Yabwangi Ando Natiri Locom South Africa Atamoni Jome South Africa Mito blaming the foreign nationals who are there. They should demand their government to create the jobs they want, but not blaming the foreigners that they have taken their jobs, their what they want. Those people have gone what so government should be in position to provide if we want jobs, but not going to attack. Because when they take South Africans to Uganda, there are even some in Karamoja. But we have not attacked them, and they are even taking those jobs that they are crying that for us we have taken in South Africa. But we are not attacking them in Uganda. So Ginamito Gino Nyangino, no Canado, Loknado Mea Jigachino both youth from all universities. Ni Eruna Dikone Chirukabong, Eke Yerukanded, Kakabong Port, Dikemajan election Bino 2021. We shall go under opposition and we have a candidate for people power. We shall rally behind. Apoy Ulmate.
So we shall get a communication from her, then we conclude.
Thank you very much. My name is Nsima Helen, the Vice President Chambogo. My emphasis is mostly on the xenophobic attacks in South Africa. Xenophobia, dictionary meaning, is hatred or fear of a foreign country in another country. So what I want to ask the South Africans, what are you afraid of? You are almost the richest country in Africa, and then you're still afraid of we, the poor African countries. Really, you're supposed to be helping us to be at least on your level and not fighting against us. I had a chance to be in South Africa in June, and most of the complaints I got from the Zimbabweans and other Nigerians that were working or driving cars that transported us, their own thing was South Africans don't like doing the jobs, should I call them blue-collar jobs? They only want the white-collar jobs. So why are you killing others if you don't even want to work for the small jobs that are available? Just continue working and just know that Nelson Mandela would be turning in his grave right now if he found out or if he got to know that the people he fought for are now fighting the other people he used to fight against the whites. Thank you very much. I remain the Vice President of Chambogo University.
So basically we shall have to conclude both in English and Uganda. I will turn to Uganda later. Kale. Amanya gange bampita Tundulu Jonathan, abasinga bampita Tundulu. Omukulembeze w'abayizi bonna e Chambogo University. Leero tutudde wano eno mu Chambogo University okujja twogere ku biki ebituluma eri ensi yaffe. Si mu Uganda yokka naye eri kontinenti yonna nga Africa. Ffe nga Abafirika abali mu Uganda era nga abayizi abakimanyi mbunneera mu Africa yonna ekitugatta bye bitwawula ebitwawula bye bitugatta ffenna nga abantu era bye tulina okuyigirako njatandika n'okuvumirira nnyo ensonga egenda mu South Africa. Ffe ng'abayizi okutta Omunigeria ye South Africa tuba tuwulira bubi, tuba tutambulira mu musaayi gw'abajjajjaffe ba Nkwame Nkrumah abayagalanga ennyo ffe twegatte ng'aba Nelson Mandela abaswa makomera nga bakabirira obwetwaze eri kontinenti yaffe eri Africa, okutunulira ba Milton Obote bonna abayogereranga ewamu. Era kyekimu naffe abayizi leero twogera nga tugamba nti singa bannayuganda ffekka, singa university zetulimu zokka zokka, naye twogerera abafirika bonna bonna ekitta abantu ekigenda mu South Africa tukivumirira. Era babeera abannayuganda bonna bonna ababeera abannayuganda abatandise nabo otandika nga bayagala okuvumirira aba South Africa bali mu Uganda, ekyo tukivumirira ddala nga tugamba tuyimirire wamu mu taimu yakazigizigi tubeere nga tusobola okugamba bannaffe okutta abazimbabwe, abazambia, abanigeria n'aba Ethiopia nabona bonna abafirika abali mu South Africa kikome nga tugamba gavumenti eyimirire wamu nga tulina African Union Agenda 2063 egamba ffe tulina okwegatta mu bintu byaffe byonna bye tulina, wadde nga tulina ebitwawula bingi n'ebyo ebijja tugatta. Tuyimirire tugambe gavumenti egende e South Africa eyimirire wamu ne gavumenti ya South Africa esobole okulaba ng'ekomya ekita abantu ekirimu ekigenda emaaso. Era ekirala nga tulina petition tugamba abayizi bannaffe bonna bonna twawanise da petition tugenda kitwala ku South African Embassy tugende tubagambe kino ekita abantu ffe tuyimira ffe ng'abayizi ffenna tuyimira wamu n'abantu ebali mu kutta ensi ezinyigirizibwa mu South Africa. Tuyimire nga tugamba okwegatta wamu Africa olumu tugenda yimirira tulabe nga twagala ebeerenga ensi endala zonna ze twegomba eziri mu first world countries. Era nga nkunga bannaffe bonna abayizi okuva mu primary 1 mpaka abali mu gusembayo mu university tugenda collectinga signatures mu wiki emu yokka constitutionally tugende tusiikinge tugambe poliisi nti nno tugenda twala petition yaffe eri South African Embassy tubalage obunyivu bwe tulemu. Ekyokubiri tulaba ebigenda mu ggwanga lyaffe tulina by elections eziri mu taking place okusookera ddala ehoima. Ffenna abayizi tukunge wamu abayizi bannaffe tukunge wamu bajjajjaffe bataata baffe n'abamama baffe abali ebunyoro tubagambe ffe ng'abayizi tuyimira wamu ne Nyakato Honorable MP gweffe abantu gwe twalonze dda era nga tukimanyi otumala okulonda tugende tukuume akalulu kaffe. Era bwekyo kigenda n'okubeera e Kabongo tugende Kabongo twasebolinge nga tugenda okukola tugende tukampeiningire MP waffe era gwe twayogeddeko edda Honorable Judith gwe tugenda ogera tukampeiningire era nga tugamba bonna bonna abayagala enkyukakyuka mu NRM abayagala enkyukakyuka mu opposition tugenda yimirira wamu tugende tulabe Karamoja yaffe nga tuginunula kune okwogera okugamba mbuno tugenda lindako Karamoja ekulaakulane leo tugenda gigamba tukulaakulana ffenna sindi na kindi ekisookeyo tulabe Karamoja era kidepo eyingiza ssente nnyingi nnyo teziyamba Karamoja yokka ziyamba naffe ffenna abali mu constituency ez'enjawulo mu Uganda. Kugenda osanga mbu gavumenti ebala embalira yaayo ssente ejazigattamu so tegenda zifokasinga ku Karamoja. Era tulina oteeka emphasis mbu okukulaakulana tulina okukulaakulana ffenna si byakotunulako muze nkulaakulanya olwo ngendewa ate kigenda tuyamba. Kyekyo lwaki tuyimiridde wamu ffe ng'aba people power abayizi abakulembeze abayizi bonna mu university nene nga tukimanyi mu people power abakulembera abayizi bannaffe abayivu era n'abayongera okuyiga mbu nga bwe twetaaga enkulaakulana mu Kampala yenkulaakulana yemu gye tulaga okulaba e Karamoja. Si kugenda ku nguudo za Kampala nga tulaba bannaffe basabiriza tekigenda kuyamba. Si e Uganda gye twagala okulaba ndi si Africa gye twagala okulaba enkya. Era nga tumaze okwogera tugenda bulungi e Karamoja tuyimirire wamu ne Honorable Ajaka Juice tuyimirire wamu tumuralingire nga tubagamba enkulaakulana gye baliko n'emyaka gavumenti gyetuuse mu buyinza emyaka 10 tugenda 35 naye otukompeyaringa n'enkulaakulana eri Karamoja tujja kulaba mbu ate oba tutuli ku zero pace oba tutambula ku pace gye twagalirako ate nga development erina pace gye twetaagako. Tweyanziza nnyo, nsigala ndi Tundulu Jonathan omukulembeze abayizi e Kyambogo era People Power Coordinator owa institutions. Tweyanziza.
Mwebale nnyo ku nsonga za South Africa nga tuvudde ku nsonga z'obwetwawaze olwo olugero tetujja luddamu kubanga twakola oluwalo lwaffe nga bannayuganda era ng'Abafirika abalala twakola oluwalo lwaffe kulaba nga South Africa abaddugavu bafuna obwogerezi era ne tukola oluwalo lwaffe okulaba nga abaddugavu bafuna obwetwawaze mu nsi yaabwe. Tuma nnyo ng'abaddugavu olw'ensonga gye tufugirwa, ensonga gye tulaba South Africa olwaleero tugivumirira, twagala ogivumirira ne sekuvumirira, twagala okulaga okubakakasa nti tetuli basanyufu ng'abakulembeze abayizi nti ng'oggyeko okutta abantu. South Africa lyerimu ku mawanga agavuganya ne Uganda okubeera n'abayizi abangi nga si bannansi, international students. Ekitundu ewava ekitta abantu kino ekya xenophobia essaawa zino ekya Pretoria kirimu university gye bayita University of Pretoria, y'emu ku universities ezisingamu abayizi aba international. Omwo mulimu bannayuganda bangi. Essaawa zino abayizi abo bonna tebali settled. Twagala okukakasa gavumenti yaffe nti tegenda beera nga mmanya ya nkoko nti mulire bannattanga bannayuganda nga tuvaayo nga tuseka n'ababase olwoba tebali mu nsi yaffe, nti bannayuganda mulire bagenda okuba mu mbeera gye baatusindikamu gye bayita ey'okkuba ekyeyo ne batambula ne bagenda mu Middle East. Abawarabu bwe batta munna Kenya bamakinga sure gavumenti ya Kenya eremerako omuntu amusse lwasasula era n'asibwa nti bannayuganda babasalanga embuzi ne babasiiga ebirwadde ne babakozesa abaana abawala abali mu kyombo ky'Abawarabu, gavumenti n'esirika. Olwaleero bali mu kutta abantu. Abanigeria bavuddeyo mu reaction gye baakoze eyaabwe n'Abazambia n'abantu abalala ne balaga obutali bumativu kwekyo ekikolebwa South Africa. Omukulembeze waffe kye yatukoledde naye yavuddeyo n'agenda ne yeetaba mu lukuŋŋaana olwabadde South Africa. Abakulembeze abalala bonna ku Ssemazinga lwe baazize. Tukkiriza nti kyabadde kikolwa kyakulaga nti kugamba bali mu kutta bantu nti bannayuganda bo tebalina makulu era mubasanga eno mubatte tetuli basanyufu. Bwe bwaka omukulembeze bwe yasindise. Ffe tulina okukkiriza ng'abakulembeze b'abayizi mu universities nti ensi yaffe eri strategic, ensi yaffe y'amaanyi mu by'okulwana mu Africa, eyimirizaawo ensi endala nnyingi. Kitegeeza nti amaanyi gayo ndowoozi lyayo liwulirikika era tusaba gavumenti eno eriko nga bweteekaka okuwa gavumenti ya People Power obuyinza embakinge ku nsonga y'okulaba nga bannayuganda babeere ekitiibwa ekibajjaamu. Twagala tusange ng'olwo olugendo erutaseeko. Guno si muzannyo kubanga mukimanyi ebitundu 7 ku bannayuganda bavubuka. Abavubuka ffe tulina opportunities. Kitegeeza muli Munnayuganda gwe battire South Africa olwaleero mu xenophobia muvubuka. Kitegeeza muli Munnayuganda afiire Jordan muvubuka. Kubanga tetulina opportunities, tetulina mirimu. Gavumenti yaffe tegitaddeewo. Tunoonyayo obusente obutono ne tutunda ettaka ne tulaba nga tufuluma eggwanga tugende tukole tukomewo tukuze ensi yaffe. Tulowooza nti gavumenti yanditadde era tugikubiriza tugikunga eke ensonga ezirimu amakulu ze yandiwadde amakulu tusuubira nti bannayuganda abali mu diaspora ebyenfuna by'eggwanga bino biraga nti bakwata kyamwanjo nnyo mu kuyingiza ssente mu ggwanga lino, era tusuubira nti gavumenti ya Uganda yabadde ebateekako amakulu ag'enjawulo. Tukunga abayizi yonna gye bali mu universities nti tugenda kweyiwa ku South African High Commission oba gye bayita embassy eya South Africa, nga tutwalayo ekiwandiiko namutayiika nga twagala kubategeeza nti tukimanyi bulungi nti ensi yaffe nga Uganda ebakkiriza okukolera wano bizinesi, nti era bizinesi ezisinga wano obunene n'amabanka agasinga obunene gaba South Africa. Naye tetujja kubirumba naye bakuume bannayuganda n'abannansi b'Africa abali mu South Africa bakolayo bizinesi obutono ng'okwoza amamotoka, kubanga ate ffe ensi za Africa endala bawa sente nnyingi mu mabanka, mu masannyalaze, mu telecom companies, naye tetwokyeza bintu byabwe, tetubalumbye. Tubasaba tugenda tuwandiika ekyo namutayiika, tugenda kukitwala ku South African High Commission ku Monday. Poliisi wagitegeezezza dda, era nakati twongera ogitegeeza nti tugenda kutambula mu mirembe, era tetugisuubira tutataganya, kubanga tetugenda kwokya kintu, wabula tugenda kuyimirira wamu ne bannayuganda n'abayizi ab'ensi endala abasomera mu South Africa olwaleero abali threatened oba abali mu kuttibwa, kubanga ffe ng'abakulembeze b'abayizi mu Uganda tetusobola tuula nga waliwo abayizi mu nsi abatasoma, kubanga bunaanyizibwa bwaffe obukulu obututeesaawo. Mwebale nnyo.
So, can I conclude in English? Yeah, let me conclude in English. And I do believe we are tired. We are sorry for making you delay here. Yes, thank you so much. As we have already said, we are the guild presidents, still the students' leader in the People Power movement. As we conclude, we want to let all Africans know that we Africans in Uganda and as students, we are standing unanimously with other Africans in all other sub-regions to tell them we have an agenda to run, that is the African Union Agenda 2063, which binds us all in diversity. Irrespective of what disunites us, we shall always have to get together, go fight against the fears we are having, and to see that we pursue the dreams and the unity of our forefathers, of our grandfathers, who are great indeed in spirit, like the ones of Kwame Nkrumah, the Milton Obotes, the Nelson Mandelas, who fought so hard to see that we reclaim the unification of our Africa, for us to develop and to take Africa in one of the best continents ever in Africa. Therefore, we are concluding on the xenophobia by saying we have written a petition and we are mobilizing, calling upon all students to come and sign on this petition as we go to the Commission or to the High Commission of South Africa in Kampala to let them know, let us tell the government of South Africa to come and to stampede its own people to come and fight against the ongoing killings of all of the Africans, not only even Ugandans, but the Zambarians, to go, the Mozambicans, to go and see the Nigerians. All of them, this killing should indeed stop. Secondly, still here in Uganda, we well know and we have seen the by-elections ongoing. We shall not again allow the rats to take on the mantle. We are not allowing again to take back the Karamoja into NRM. We are telling them the sayings will not wait for Karamoja to grow. For us as students, we want to develop with them. We want to grow with the Karamoja. And we are telling them, we are coming to South Africa. We want to rally behind one of the opposition leaders or the opposition candidates. All of us, the change-seeking forces, we are going to rally behind. And we shall have to campaign. We have written letters which are going This is the leader of opposition, and we are taking to all of the opposition candidates in both the parliament and outside to let them know we as the people who want change, we are going to rally behind only one person, that is Honorable Judith, to see a change come in Karamoja, as we want to see changes in Kampala, Busheni and other areas. Otherwise, thank you so much, the media community, Ugandans who are fighting both silently and those who are actively taking the lead for the change we deserve. And we tell the silent that always, if you keep silent, we shall always count you on the side of the oppressor for God and my country.
Thank you very much.
Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens.
Come.